How to hide past work experience in LinkedIn. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide or limit visibility of your past work experiences on LinkedIn using privacy settings and profile editing tools. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and sign into your LinkedIn account on your laptop or computer, or you can also do it on your device. So once you're here on your account, you gotta redirect yourself to the home section, and you'll notice a me icon over here. So you gotta click on that, and then you gotta click on settings and privacy. So once you do so, you will be redirected to the settings and privacy. And here you'll notice a couple of options at the left side. So you're gonna click on visibility. And once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So what you're going to do is simply click on this one, that is edit your public profile. Right now, it's simply on the third number. However, if the LinkedIn updates the application, it might be, up or down. So you're going to simply click on edit your public profile, and you will be redirected to your public profile settings. So here, you're going to scroll down. If you have any past experiences that you have added on your LinkedIn account, here right now, I have not added any past experiences, but if you have, you'll notice them appear here at the right side. So what you're going to do is simply, toggle this button off of show, and you'll notice that there is an option of hide. Now you can see that I've toggled it off for hide. Now it says success, we've updated it, and your headline has been hidden. Now here you can see that there is past experience, which you really wish to, hide. So you're going to simply toggle it off, and it says hide. Successfully, we have updated your settings, and now your past experience would be hidden. So that is basically how you can hide past work experience in LinkedIn. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.